Good evening friends, I am Abhishek and today I am going to make a video on surveying. Surveying is the subject in which we study to position points in such a way in order to get distance, direction and elevation of the land. It is used mainly to draw maps or plans and also to in lay boundaries around a plot, and for various other purposes. There are various methods of surveying. It can be classified on the basis of purpose, instrument, and um, plane survey or geodesic survey. After that, I'd like to further explain the subtopics of the chapter, such as chaining. Why we use chains in survey. Chains are used for horizontal measurement, and it is a instrument made of connecting links. There are various types of chains such as metric chain and grunter chain, and the accessories which we use with chains are pegs and various other accessories. For leveling, what is leveling first of all? Leveling is the relative height measurement. It is measured by various instruments such as dumpy level. It tells the elevation, undulation of ground surface. After that, we study contours. So for contours, in contours. So what contours are? Contours are imaginary lines joining point of equal elevation. These contours are mainly used to show the height of hill on or some land of higher elevation on a plain map. After that, we study theodolite. What theodolite is? It is an instrument which is used to measure horizontal and vertical angles. There are two types of theodolite, vernier and precise, and the least count of these theodolites are 20-minute and 20-second and 1 second respectively. Different types of idioms: geod meter, in which we light is the used to measure distance; distomat, which use sound frequency of 10,324.3 hertz for main unit and 10,335 for remote unit, and it works on the principle of phase difference. After that, we study theodolite. Total station. Total station is the combination of electronic distance and angle measurement, as I remember. After EDMs, we study traversing. Traversing. So it is a series of connected lines with measured length and angle. Traverse is used to enclose a plot. After that, we study plane table surveying. What plane table surveying is? Plane table surveying is mainly work on the principle of similarity of triangles. In this, a table is placed on the site and a parallel line is drawn on the paper which will be parallel to the boundary. And with the similarity triangle principle, we find the length of the line or boundary. Uh, for this, drawing must be parallel to line on ground. After plane table surveying, we study compass. So compass survey, we use tape and chain or tape for linear measurement, and compass for direction. So there are two types of compass: prismatic and surveyor's compass. In prismatic compass, we use whole circle bearing, and in surveyor's compass, we use quadrant bearing system. Least count of prismatic compass is 13 minute, and for surveyor compass is 1 degree. What bearing is? Bearing or meridian, both are same terminology. In this, we measure horizontal axis angle, which makes and which makes with reference line, and there are different types of meridian, such as true meridian, magnetic meridian, grid meridian, and arbitrary meridian. There is a big difference in the definition of meridian and bearing. It is bearing is the horizontal angle with the meridian or reference line. After that, we study magnetic declination. For magnetic declination, we measure horizontal angle between magnetic meridian, and two meridian. Uh, After it is secular, annual, daily, and irregular. Adjustment of angles. For adjustment of angles, we find sum of internal angles, which must be equal to 2n minus 1 times 90 degree, minus 4 times 90 degree. And for local attraction, it is the deflection of magnetic needle due to magnetic materials. So that's all for survey. Thank you for watching.